morning. I'm meteorologist Alan Dyess with the Campus Connect forecast, and the National Weather Service has issued earlier this morning a freezing rain advisory, which is in the purple for pretty much central Mississippi. And Tupelo, where the blue is, that's a winter weather advisory. These advisories are going to be taking place starting at 9 o'clock this evening and to 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So expect those conditions. I'll get later details in the futurecast later in the forecast. The rain that came through yesterday has pushed off all the way into Alabama and Georgia. We do have some lingering showers just south of us, and we can see just to our west of us, which is why we have these advisories issued overnight. That's going to be affecting us later this evening and into the night. So live feed out there right now. Overcast conditions, very gloomy out there. Temperatures right now are sitting at 37 degrees, and those winds have shifted from yesterday from the south. Now they're coming from the north about 7 miles an hour. And temperatures pretty much across the region are pretty much the same as Starkville in the upper 30s to low 40s. Compared to yesterday, we were sitting in the 60s. Now we have the last 24 hours, a 20 to 25 degree temperature change in the last 24 hours. So that's a big change. In the last 3 days ago, we were in the 30s. We were back in the 60s. So we do have this little roller coaster effect going for temperatures right now. But temperatures for pretty much the whole country, that cold front came through, pushing all that cold air from Canada, and that's going to be driving down south. Hasn't reached New Orleans yet. They're sitting at 76 degrees. Wish we had that pleasant weather. Well, as the cold front pushes down south, they'll be dealing with those cooler temperatures as well. So the futurecast is what we're going to be dealing with and talking about. We have rain coming through around 9 o'clock. As we get past these showers, it will be switching over to freezing rain and some sleet between the hours of 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the morning. Looks like it's going to be just north of Starkville, where the freezing rain and winter weather advisories are being issued. So as the freezing rain and sleet falls, it's going to be cold enough for the ice to accumulate. So when you wake up early in the morning, around 8 o'clock, there won't be any moisture or any freezing rain falling, but be aware of the ice that's going to be forming over the bridges and roadways. So allow some time for yourself to commute to your class and to work, because you're going to be dealing with these icy conditions outside. And not only just one time you're going to have these freezing conditions, another chance at 3 o'clock, so round 2 on Monday, we'll be having freezing rain again over our area. So please, if you're driving around on Monday, please be cautious and be smart of the ice that could be forming over any kind of surface. But after Monday, on Monday afternoon into the evening, most of the moisture is going to be standing south of us. We'll just be dealing with those partly cloudy conditions for Tuesday, and then for Wednesday, most of those clouds will be moving out, and the rain will be down south as we have another cold front that's going to be pushing staying to the north of us on Wednesday around 2 o'clock, and that will be pushing through our area on Wednesday evening. So let's talk about today. High temperatures are 46 degrees, overcast, gloomy day. Winds coming from the north, so it will be breezy. So if you do have a chance to see those diamond dogs, I think the first pitch is at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Go support our dogs. This will be a nice day. Won't be any chance of rain, because this evening, that's when all the rain and showers come through. Evening showers, and then after midnight is when those temperatures will be dropping down to below freezing, and we see those showers mixing from rain to freezing rain into some sleet as well. So be cautious, like I said again, for Monday. There will be ice forming throughout the whole day. Only high temperatures are 35 degrees, so it is going to be cold out there. Do have another shot of that freezing rain again at 3 o'clock, so it's going to be colder and drier as well. And then as we get into our 7-day forecast, the days that we're going to be looking to forecast is Monday and Tuesday. That's when the chance of winter mix will be very high for our area as moisture pushes through our area. But after Wednesday into remainder of the week, we have temperatures in the 40s, overnight lows in the mid-20s, and look at that. For our weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to be back in the 50s, a nice little warming trend with overnight lows in the 40s.